What's up, everybody? My name is Matt Yoakum, and welcome to This into That, where we turn this into that. In today's This into That, we're going to be turning a bird chirp into a UI sound. Alright, we're going to start with a simple bird chirp. I've always got my EQ at the beginning. Not using it for anything in this particular recording. Next, I'm going to throw on GRM delays. The GRM tools are great. I like this delay. We've got a reduced number of delays, about 8. The mix is set to 30%. And everything else is fairly standard, about 33% feedback. Super short delay. The range is about 315 milliseconds, about 33% feedback. I've got the feedback up, which causes it to ring out a little bit afterwards. All the GRM tools are great. Highly recommend. Then I'm using the H910 harmonizer. This is based on a famous hardware unit. Eventide makes this. It's fantastic sounding. So in this case, I've got both main out 1 and 2 up. I'm adding roughly 22.5 milliseconds of delay. I've got the feedback turned up to about 30%, and the manual is going up a whole octave. So that sounds like this. Okay, next I'm throwing on another classic hardware unit emulation. This is Studio D Chorus by Universal Audio. This is a UAD plugin. This is a UAD-X plugin, meaning you don't have to have the UAD hardware in order to run this. So I recommend checking this out. This is in the famous all buttons mode. And it's adding a bit of width, a bit of depth, creating a bit of a 3D effect. And then lastly, I'm throwing on some Little Altar Boy. I've got the pitch going up by 9, form it up by 2.8, but I'm setting the mix down at about 75%-ish. And it's giving me that top-end sparkle that you often associate with UI. And that is how you turn this into that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. Let me know down in the comments what other type of sound you'd like to see me try to manipulate, and I'll see you on the next one.